In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer from apps and other senders. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. And then on the left panel, select system. And on the right side, select notifications. Up at the top, notifications, get notifications from apps and other senders. You can turn that on or off, and you can adjust additional preferences here. Or you can scroll down and turn them on or off for specific applications or adjust some of the behaviors of the types of notifications you would receive from these particular apps. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.